welcome to today's video. We are doing a simple mod to the speed today because it's still snowy, it's still cold out, and there's nothing much to really do out right now. It's all slushy. If I can find a parking lot later, I will go do some more skids, but most of the parking lots are kind of drying up, so we'll see. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed that snow video. That was really fun, by the way. And the mod we're doing today involves the shifter. So it's not the short throw though, it's something different. Before I show you guys this part I want to install, I want to tell you guys that the 240, the motor will be going in soon, the transmission will be going on soon. I just need an extra hand, to be honest, because this transmission is stupid heavy. I'm gonna have to beat in the trans tunnel, and while I'm beating it with a hammer, I want someone to be in here heating the paint, that way it doesn't chip. That's kind of the only thing holding me back. So we'll get it in the next week or two and be good to go. And then we'll start raging and hopefully get it driving here soon. There's also gonna be some other massive projects going down. It just sucks that it's winter. That's the only thing. Okay, anyway, back to what we were doing. So, I got these shifter bushings. They're like JBR or something. I have no idea how to install them. Apparently they make a pretty big difference in feel. I don't know though. I don't even know what they do. I know people put them in all the time. I got recommended them by a few people. So I figured why not? Let's try them out. And I have no idea how to install these, so I'm actually gonna go look online right now and see if we can figure it out. I found the instructions on JBR's website. I'm gonna go ahead and print this out, and then we'll follow those like to a T, and then we'll head outside and start ripping the interior part. Here we go. I have some tools. By the way, I'm painting this valve cover right now. Look how good that looks. Hope you guys like that purple, because I kind of just sent it. 1/4 inch socket rail, 1/4 inch ratchet, a long Phillips head should do this. Can't forget, you usually always need an extension. Sadly, the snow kind of tore up the left part of my stock lip. This is a perfect install to do today because it's all snowy out and slushy and, you know, it's cold. So this is the perfect thing to do. I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking off my nice Tomei shift knob. Oops. Next, we pop this out. Not sure how. I better look at the instructions. Okay, we actually pop the cup holders out first. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. It's all coming off in one giant piece. It actually looks very easy. So I just got this popped off. I'm just gonna leave it here because I don't feel like undoing these cords because I'm lazy. I mean, I will if I have to. But I believe these are the bushings. That one's dirty and disgusting. I don't know why, but I believe you could just pop them out, pop them in. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm skipping a ton of steps right now. I'm just taking these off. Because usually, you know, instructions are just kind of over the top and you can kind of skip some stuff. Now, we'll see if this actually works, but I'm usually a master at skipping stuff when it comes to instructions. So we're popping these off right now, all 4 of them, and then we're gonna try and start sliding the new ones in. There's 2. Turns out skipping steps won't work for this because this plastic is actually bolted to here as well. So I'm gonna actually have to take this whole thing off, which is a bummer, but I guess I'll just do it the proper way and the way the instructions say. Kind of lame though, not gonna lie. So console is undone enough that I can scoot it back so I don't have to completely remove the whole thing. I went ahead and popped this off. I'm trying not to twist it because it does look like it's threaded and I don't want to mess anything up. And I'm gonna figure out how to pull this out of here, and then that should leave me room to do everything I need to do. This is a lot more complicated than I expected. And the grease inside of here smells absolutely horrible. I got it on my hands and they smell bad. 3. And last, number 4. So now this thing should technically be able to just pull up. Oh, I keep getting this grease all over my hands. And they just need to come off the studs. Just enough. Actually, I think you can pull these off first, can't you? Whoa, there we go. Camera battery died and I got out. It looks kind of funny, looks like we're hotboxing in there. This thing delivered to me, sweet. Don't have a cup holder though. All right, so all those are out and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these in. I'm getting disgusting stuff on my hands. I don't know what it is. I'm actually concerned. Wow, they individually baggied each one. I have no idea where that just went. Okay, so we got our little bushing and apparently you lift this up, it goes underneath there and then the washer goes on top. That's what the instructions say, I think. So you guys can let me know if that's correct or not, if you've done them before. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out all 4 of these and then put the washers on top, and I actually lost one, so I need to find that. And by the way, I did take out all those rubber pieces too. Obviously, that they go from rubber bushings to solid. So I don't think there will be a noticeable difference, but I also said that about the motor mount, and there is a massive difference with the motor mount. So who knows? I'm gonna pop these in and then we'll start reassembling. Not even gonna lie, this thing is fire. Boom, there's one. Okay, they're all in there. I just need to line them up and then push it down a little more. And then I still need to find that washer. I can't find it, but these washers basically just slide right over top. And then you bolt it all back down and boom, solid shifter. After 15 minutes and tearing the car apart, I found it under the seat. What do you know? So last one, boom. Now just bolt it all back together. Okay, those are all in, all tight. Now I'm just gonna bolt all this back together and then we can go test it out. Boom! Now that is how you install something and skip the instructions. We probably followed about 4 or 5 things on the instructions and there's like 4 or 5 pages, so sometimes just don't use the instructions. Anyway though, whoa! Oops. Anyway, here we go guys. I haven't shifted it yet. We're not driving obviously, so I still don't know how it's gonna feel not moving, but ooh, okay. This one's gonna be hard to explain. It does feel different. The way I would explain it is more precise. Like with the rubber bushings, you could feel like a little wiggle side to side. Not in the shifting, but like that bracket that holds it down. I don't know how to explain this. It does make a difference so far. We're gonna drive it around and see what that feels like. These were only 30 bucks, so they're worth the shot, but I do feel a difference. I'm not kidding. I really don't know how to explain this. I'm gonna take all these tools inside and then we'll go drive this thing. So I just put the tools away and this was on my toolbox. So we are gonna go ahead and give this away. It's a Damon short throw shift plate. I think you can use these for speed 3s too. I'm not sure though, don't quote me on that. But I'm gonna be giving this away. To enter, like this video, subscribe, comment whatever you wanna comment. And then I will pick someone in about a week. And you have to be in the United States because shipping for out of state is expensive. So got to be in the US to enter. Sorry for all the out of state people. Eventually I'll do a giveaway where we do the whole world, but for now, enter because it's free. Might as well. Nothing to lose, you know? Before we go drive, I just threw some clear on this thing and it looks incredible. Look at that. I can't wait to get it on that motor. It is now completely nighttime out and we're going to drive this thing. It's so cold in my car right now. Look at this. I'm freezing. At least it's boost weather and we can really put these shifter bushings to the test. I really need to figure out a way to remount my wiper reservoir because I can't see anything and I could just spray this and it would all be gone. I've been driving this thing for about 5 minutes now. You can definitely feel a difference, but you don't feel it in the linkage. You feel it in the mount itself that keeps everything more stable, which makes everything feel more solid. That's the best way to describe it, is more solid. Definitely about to go bang some gears to see how this feels. Roundabout action. All right, let me get straightened out here. Woo! This thing rips. Roads are completely empty right now, so we're gonna hit another one. This one will be a 1, 2, 3 probably. This thing is ripping right now. Let's hit some downshifts here. Dang, look at all those Christmas lights. I can't believe Christmas is already next week. This year has honestly flown by. And just like that, I'm home. I just got home. What I have to say about the shifter is it fixes all the play in the mount, but it doesn't fix the play in the linkage. There's not much play in the linkage though. So you definitely can feel the difference because I feel like the mount twisted a little bit when I was shifting. It just feels way more solid now. Is it that big of a difference? No. I look like a ghost right now. Hold on. So I wouldn't really like recommend doing this. I would only do this if like you got 30 bucks to blow and you want to install a part on your car, because it's not that big of a difference. And it really didn't bother me before. So basically what I did today was fix an issue that didn't bother me. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and get the short throw shifter soon. I'm trying to solve all my shifting issues, even though I don't really have shifting issues. I just want this thing to be baller. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Speedburner. Peace out. By the way, I'm gonna do backwards entries in the snow next time it snows.